Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwowa searching ebusuafo mesre unsubscribe ya mesre no wa subscribe me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo, there is fire on the mountain. Na fire where the in the mountain so ewo NDC party ni mo. Eje bi a start e dere na ebobo free NDC party ni mo eba e for mo primaries a eba bekoso ne ho no. Esen NPP for de no. Just pantoma NDC for SSA almost set up na ejana abobo free omo party ni mo eba na omo solve dan so omo cheche Ghana for omo enye hwe no because Ghana for criticize omo aban de say omo promise ye nso omo buy promise no omo ntumi fulfill it ti ye kan omo cheche ye no omo de omo ntena wo ebusanfo lawyer ya order screen isu ofre no lawyer Kenneth Crunchy or a private legal practitioner na lawyer Crunchy his excellency John Dramani Mahama Eco Supreme Court. Lawyer ne ya usapone say or say his excellency John Dramani Mahama by no wa be sisa Ghana wa be change Ghana shebre just mu ni penyi na asesa ye shebre nti by hook or by crook esese osanso ekotete nti Ghana fo mpanifu bi a just omo kan ewo mu no omo kotai na chi na Supreme Court enka na his excellency John Dramani Mahama ento aso tete na fire na a free NDC ba ne bini say ore Asiedu Nketi a on super president Asiedu Nketi a etimi nya kokoduru be ka kire Ghana for say security personnel me kire emofra na omoto forms some person omoko police soldier fire service na army na de ade na Ghana for mpanfu du omo sika na omo fa emu kwota no Asiedu Nketi a e kire say aha na emofra anka won fa mu nyina na hwan na obakwa ko wiade na hwan na obekene yonko just imagine papa we so person be president cool yan ye kasai ore Asiedu Nketi aso no ye general secretary wo NDC party ni mu e na oto ayampia e de man his excellency John Dramani Mahama se hwe so also person okotete ma ye ne wo mpre ada Ghana ye wo de akonwa no de NDC party no de enya wo de inti babia wo ba kofa forms na wo be fill na wo de be contest no ye ne wa ha ye hwe Asiedu Nketi aso mpre de ompre no chena because ono so president ni be de ntino his excellency win the court case ni kura na so obetimi akotete ma omo nton forms ma ndo e na ochina yenti ese me course no yesan so bra
Asiedu Nketi is in a dilemma na oye ne bia ba be si NDC mu Ghana fu ntumi so ano especially NDC fu ofusiambo for the ba say na be your obey protective shield no dey protect John Dramani Mahama
samre no so na te Asiedu Nketi advocating position no
advocating position we yefio na woni ne ekobai se no ye won adwene se Supreme Court manipulating what the John Dramani Mahama Asiedu Nketi no se still a chairman no ye
be preventing
John Dramani Mahama so me fonton fo bia man ko ne mra so onko no nipa foforo so mra me ko so no se o president edi it has become clear the intentions are known to everybody enti oye ne bia ba party no mu na ehu Mr. Supreme Court wo nya won achinkire no da obedi aman obe interpret so all right says so ko biu
enti mpre ko bi anko fragbership di biwa na nebisi
eno ni asem grassroots be jija because wo say
because o hu say eno nti na wo de ofufusan pofo bade a me di sase me nko biu
eno nso nti na Supreme Court be interpreting what the aman Asiedu Nketi akure niwa because of his influence in the party obetumi asila a orchestrate a manipulate behind the scene enti ni
pa ni pa be ye chairman
yes nti wo kire se edi se sanity dia kwana kwate wo party wo mera so nti there is going to be an internal fight within NDC kwana kwate wo party na fa wo be founder and leader of the party John Dramani Mahama fa ye fa brother chairman and financier of the party and fa ye
fa woman organizer
yes woman organizer national woman organizer fa Lodina na Sami Jemfi Randia Benum and one kika on
youth organizers me aden police station executive
yes na one hwese obetu menye 2% of the vote ana say John Dramani Mahama onye interested in sa petition wo kwa he would have stopped it before it becomes public
ebusuafo ye na ya tensema e course na member a lawyer Kenneth Crunchy no so papa say his excellency John Dramani Mahama ento aso enkotetem for what exactly reasons in the same his excellency John Dramani Mahama in fact on set emphata so besanso akotetem me reason ni his excellency John Dramani Mahama be president in fact not a vice president and a president we and no di ni predecessor nade Osanso Kobio 2016 yes na membu ni nyɛ over 1 million votes etu na bi nsi da 2024 Ghana force NPP e the free SHS aba omo provide the ambulance omo yi akwan be be kwan ni kro omo de kwan akwa omo aye interchange aye bibia but still na yebetumo ebetu omo Ghana full to NPP e no omo de NDC by na ansa na his excellency John Dramani Mahama a whole lot of promises to Ghana for any. The biggest policy out the to Ghana for any 24-hour economy. Or the 24-hour economy eba na youth no mo esu no mo nya biaye. 24-hour economy as I'm speaking to you, 2 years, omo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama promises so obema Ghana youth ejuma cocoa obeto prices in cocoa prices in them no okay. Prices now drop it. Nurses, teachers egufie. Me pese me catch wo Kenneth Kwanche se wo ni Ghana ha e bia wo akwantum anasa waso asiam pese me catch wo say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama by on point ade ba ko pa wa ya Ghana ni bia nya so fa so a enti ese so okotetem no kan kire so catch ya me adro ametie meto aba ma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama mana o de kwadan Supreme Court say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ensan so kotetem for what reason na nanado crowd dey niyama buy he say ya list niyama nanado buy habo offense say habo so obesisi drones obe provide ya jinkofo kwa free SHS e buy ya Ghana de hye njanka hiafo mobrofo ko bi ordinap ko buy ofa nurses adwumem otua nurses ka nanado ye president em say nurses na teachers omo ko demonstration ba akopɛ because na nanado tuomo ka oya akwan ye interchange His Excellency interchange or a circuit Dubai interchange no and the pen obey president ni na oye and a castle be there a some where who left from the right. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama asanso aba and make promises on fulfill ba kumpo. Ebi akwan so the nsa aka me de menim ebi o de nsa aka akwan bi ogusu ye but me fa mani hu. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama e dem pa na se fatane se osanso to aso bi. And that teachers issue, nurses issue. Every day be almost your friends a light and kania ebu and in subu. Every blessed day be a miss the every day. Aya 2 months and 3 months light and a water bill. Ometum sisi a youth in a bread. At 4 cents or per se dollar no stable. Dollar now is stable and so prices of goods kwa na cost no market and before you complain so omo ntomo ni omo bread. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ba onye hwio nothing could be ne promises of the Ghana food na we fail Ghana food na se nya asem aka eba ne sen e na nanado ka yetu no ne de Mahama ba na Mahama ba His Excellency besi a wa bonya besi aketoa na bem obi de 750 million eco fix your friends and light bulb 13 post 13 na MPP for CC na the pension obi de 750 some 50 ahia eco fix bulb no yenti ho hwe onsan to be president bio ade papa obu yenti ya dwun na wo Ghana ha na NDC fo no of course on beto ama no but nyen ordinary citizens na ya dwun Ghana ho no de nya de obi a ekota abade ama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ye pa papa
komitala enu nti ebema obi a no tie konwam bisa akwache fosu se na honorable anajo kura na light ni security se ma so yo obi enu nti na aban ne se obema na akoso no se nti ede na aban ne beye ana o se aban ne bema police fo me pa acho ma nya ohun se won ka yo me maka chem se me institution me wi amfi bibia ana mo be ka kire yen se ye bema police fo eko gina kenke and fish joint aban ni security ni bi no said ye be ya omo beton ade a omo benya asomdue ene ye kasere ya na koy afa ye wo ha ena ye ko bisa 24-hour economy bio ewo abrante a bronsam asra na nwo na bronsam atetene tekramaso na ode etro aye na botire na ode nkonkonsa ene sebe yensei nipa abo na chidomo a odi jimi His Excellency the Lion Machine Gun Sami Jemfi se wonu nko chirim Sami Jemfi ba ya Sa 24-hour economy no a game changer. Sir, I 24-hour economy. Ade bia NDC for ya gene hu yie pa na ya prepare. Sir, I na ye pese mu hu no se ye di be creative nyuma e de ama Ghana for. Obi utuwe se utumi ko bank anadwo a ompe. No be say na say ne the anadwo bank dey metumi ayo me phone so o say obi men kasa say dey make so obetumi akọ bank anadwo a ompe obi so eja ye dey envelope abere ni nti o say hi it will be good you na enyansafo mienu ete platform no no I'm talking banking, and this is me kind of where you the can wo ekosi sense. I'm talking banking. Me pacho obi a wo hwe me na so me you are here erudite. Anyone who is watching me from anywhere, say Marcus, you are in UK, you can tell me this. Tell me any insurance company that would ensure a bank to operate at 2 a.m. live banking when there's online banking. Me pacho bo ba kuma me. Insurance company be take his idea and say Rex and they say I'm going to insure a bank here. Say a bank no obey juma and I do 2 a.m. 3 a.m. Mama ya nyadi yo. Obetina na wo kan no be making the say bia wo MPP nti na de amo ye no esay o man no. Insurance company ben and also me wo nyansa na me dey have taken a bank on me na me insure omo na enso ma allow omo say omo nya adwuma 2 a.m. Why do you think say bank by 5 near start close? Even high officers they almost so na de omo chim e de akwa echiri kura no acha by 7-8 near tutu. Yes nka eni ni na akoye wo hen koye online. But Sami Jenfi and Obi, two so-called lawyers, sat on the platform to tell Ghana for now say, yes, it is true. We can actually do banking at night. Any jana man call it. Adia chinya na abrantie bi nitika krakabi. Yes, a friend DKB o say DKH Ghana. Me pato ti o. Wo ye commercial. E dia me nipa te wo policy ase. Said de be ye omekwa akoto aba ade ayeden e dia ma o. MPP fo ye bi. Okay, Calibus. Na omo ye registration. Any passport renewal na na do no ma pensi yetumi ye no online ya utumi tina wo dem dey apply passport na ade no. Na goro boy bi ajiges bisika. De bia no odwane o passport na bebe na o chere bebe na chere na ye chere mo so obetumi aye na digital ene ye desere ye fefefe. NDC for to justify say yanko say be bank ya na no. This is what they did. Yakofa DKB. Yes, ni din no ni tika kraka bi. Say ono akofa ashawo e de na ba fie. Na odi ashawo ne ba aye no 2 a.m. abo. Ashawo ni se wo konti no openisika. Ashawo ni se na de ompini o so man cash. Momo wo ho. And the hook up girls in momo ne de adwuma. Udi nkan de deposit ko na the transport na ka ho no aba. Uwi adwuma na de nkan na ma no ko. Sa na yaye na. But under John Mahama, the opposition time, yen say Ghana for adwuninti. Yema obi koye commercial say anaju 2 a.m. Ono akofa ashawo ni ba ne na beda. Ashawo ni jinisika. Enti ye 2 a.m. no otu car anaju ekojina ATM ho se oyiska. No de ekotua na ashawo ne ka. Can you imagine the security risks